In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide photos on your iPhone on iOS 17 and later. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. Then tap right here to head over to albums, and basically guys, all we have to do in order to hide some picture is just long press on it, then tap it hide, and then hide photo. What that will do, that will move that particular picture to the hidden album. Later I'm gonna show you how to find that album, but now first off let me show you how we can easily hide several photos or videos at once. To do that, tap at select, then select some photos or videos you would like to hide, then tap at three dots, select hide, and hide again. If you would like to find the photos and videos you have hidden, go to albums, then scroll down, and at the very bottom you can easily find hidden album. Just get into it to see all the photos and videos that are currently hidden. To unhide a photo or video, long press on it and tap at unhide. That will immediately move it to your main photo library. If you would like to unhide multiple photos or videos at once, tap at select, then select them, tap at three dots, and then tap at unhide. That's how you can easily hide and unhide photos on your iPhone on iOS 17. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.